बस मैं कर
सिर्फ वो रहने हैं।
ये लाइफ
उससे पहले क्या करते
कुछ भी नहीं
हैं? फिर इनको क्यों बैठाया?
क्या चीज़
इनको बैठाया क्यों?
पहले
सर।
दिखा देते हैं दोनों अब है प्लीज़ कीप क्वाइट। अभी है लाइफ टाइम अचीवमेंट अवार्ड्स के लिए सबसे पहले मैं बुलाना चाहूँगा डॉक्टर नरगिस दानिश को। उनका ये है कि पहले बुला इनको अवार्ड। He is a professor and head of Department of Gynae and Ops, Women Medical College, MBBS, FCPS, CHP. He is a highly experienced clinician academic currently serving as a professor and head of Department of Gynae and Ops at Women Medical College. And she is also a recognized supervisor examiner for CPSP. And she joined Women Medical College in 2003 as assistant professor. Now he is a professor and head. Please come. I call Professor Dr. Nargis Danish to collect the award of.
फिर उसके बाद कौन है? डॉक्टर जावेद बुला लो। डॉक्टर जावेद। डॉक्टर
Now, is,
सर एक मिनट।
no, the second is the Professor Dr. Javed Sarwar. He joined Women Medical College 2004, working as a head of medicine department, fellowship in FCPS and American College of Physicians, USA, Royal College of Physicians, Edinburgh and Glasgow, UK. Excellent teacher, confident and motivated physicians of Hazara Division. His strength is his passion and dedication to the work. He is actively involved in teaching, clinical training, examination of undergraduate students. He has more than 30 publications to his credits. He is a supervisor and examiner in the medicine of College of Physicians Surgeons, Pakistan. On the basis of his services for more than 20 years for Women Medical College, he is honored with the Lifetime Achievement Award.
फिर उसके बाद डॉक्टर अब्दुल सलाम।
Dr. Professor Dr. Abdul Salam.
अब्दुल सलाम।
Sir, he done his MBBS 1976, done MPhil in the postgraduate in 1983 and PhD in 1997. Has been serving at Women Medical College since 2001, contributing extensively to medical education and research. And he is author of about 80 research publications and 2 books, Principle and Interpretation of Clinical Chemistry और दुकान-ए-इश्क इस्लामिक है ये, और इल्म बहर ये बुखारी शरीफ की ऑन कमेंट्री ऑफ हदीस, ये इनकी बुक्स हैं 3. सर प्लीज now the Professor Dr. Majid Zia. Professor Dr. Majid Zia, an esteemed graduate of 1977, began his illustrious career at AU Medical College of Dentistry and went on to earn his FCPS in prosthodontics. With more than 2 decades of unwavering dedication, he has served the field of dentistry with distinction, advancing prosthodontics, mentoring countless students, and providing extremely exemplary patient care. His lifelong commitment, academic excellence, and outstanding contributions to the profession make him most deserving of this Life Achievement Award. Now I call Professor Dr. Zahoor Qayyum. Professor Dr. Zahoor Qayyum graduated in 1997 from Bukai Dental College. After doing his house job in 1998, he did MCPS, then FCPS, OMFS, and joined so many organizations. He joined a founder member in 2010. He joined WMC and played pivotal role in establishing dental college. During his academic career, he played important role in producing undergrad and postgraduate students. He is member and reviewer of the different journals and have more than 18 publications. He remains examiner of different postgraduate and undergraduate examination and members of the convener of the PMDC inspection. That's all. वो वैसे पढ़ो।
Professor Dr. Muhammad Khalid bin Salim joined Women Medical College in March 2007 as Assistant Professor of Ophthalmology after serving 30 years in Pakistan Army. He holds DOMS, MCPS and FCPS qualifications and is recognized as an excellent teacher. He has been actively involved in teaching, clinical training and examination of undergraduate students and has served as a supervisor and faculty member of CPSB Ophthalmology for 2 years. He also contributed to medical community as Joint Secretary of Pakistan Medical Association. For the past 9 years, he has been serving as Vice Principal Clinical at WMC. In recognition of his 19 years of dedicated service to the institution, he has been honored with a Lifetime Achievement Award. Thank you.
Now, I will call the two more persons. Number one, Professor Dr. Zaddad. Sir is serving this college for the last so many years. He is the head of Department of Pediatrician in the Benazir Bhutto Shaheed Hospital, and after retirement he is doing for the last कितने साल हो गए सर आपके? कितने years?
20 above. 15 above.
More than 15 years. Okay. और कौन से थे दूसरे कौन से? जी? हाँ. Now, not the last but not the least, Professor Dr. Muhammad Nawaz, surgical specialist. Sir, he is the head of Department of Surgery for the last so many years, 20 or 21 years, and he was serving in DHQ before joining this medical college, but as a professor for the last so many years he is doing his work, and we award the Achievement Award. Life. ठीक है सर, प्लीज सर, अब शील्ड्स के लिए अब मैं शीट्स के लिए रजिस्ट्रार साहब को, डॉक्टर इनाम मुल्ला को कहते हैं, का नाम लेता हूं। उनको एक शीट पेश करेंगी हमारी वाइस प्रिंसिपल साहिबा वुमेन मेडिकल कॉलेज की तरफ से। और आखिर में वाइस चांसलर प्रोफेसर डॉक्टर ज़ियाउल हक साहब, प्लीज मैडम प्रेजेंट द शीट। वो तो आप ये मैडम करेंगी ना, मैडम है, मैडम आप
अच्छा जी, I thank you all on behalf of Women Medical College for being here today. Special thanks to our very, very Honorable Vice Chancellor Saab, Registrar Saab and team of KMU and all the parents, all the husbands, all the brothers and sisters of our alumni who attended this function. Special thanks to my great team, the organizers. Whether it is the faculty or they're the students, I love you all. If you've worked so hard day and night, the success of this event is courtesy you. I'm really, really grateful, and I thank the faculty for being here. I thank all the directors, and my special thank to MD Saab for being here. Thank you so very much, Ji. Jazakallah khair.
जनाब भाई चांसलर साहब, मैं आपसे कम्युनिकेशन ख़त्म करने की इजाज़त चाहता हूँ।